Okay, so everybody, I have some slimes with me in this box because we were packing to move here. Now we're moving in here. So this is my Jelly Cube putty. It feels very good. I really like it. I think I can make some popping sounds with it. Don't know how many slimes I have in there, but maybe I'll bring in the other box of ice boxes. It feels so good. I can't get my hands off it because it's like a very good putty. I got it from Herbalife, believe it or not. So I'm just gonna put it in here because I don't want to play with it no more. And then I have a very hard putty. It's called Planet Putty. And by the way, I got all of these for Christmas, I think. Okay. See, it's like a very hard putty. So let me just try to take everything out. Oh, it looks so pretty, guys. My cousin says it looks cool whenever it's like, oh yeah, it does. And it feels cool. It's a very hard putty, but it feels cool. Ugh. That was unpleasant. I am a slime lover. So yeah, I'm just gonna put over here all the slimes I have touched. Oh my gosh, I don't want to touch this one. Oh my gosh, I smell it. No. This is from Karina Garcia for glitter putties. This one I don't really like, but no offense. Okay, now I have my slime. Oh my gosh, really? Sorry guys, I just let someone keep my big slime of this. Not happy. Yeah, I might have to go get the other one because I think those are where all my slimes are. Sorry if this video is not very satisfying to you. I'm just trying to make better videos. Haircut, guys, so my hair is much shorter. Okay, this one is, I already smell it. It smells so good. I love this, guys. But I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. Get out. Oh my gosh, on the bottom it's filled with glitter. Oh my gosh. It's called Blue. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go get the other one. Let me just put all of these back. Let me put these over here. I'll be right back, okay? Just give me like 15 seconds, okay? I'm counting. 1, 2. So I have have the rest of my slimes in here. Okay. So I have my strawberry slime right here. What was that? Norby. But guys, this is such a good slime. Doesn't smell that good, but whatever. Oh my gosh, gross. By the way, I'm posting at like 8:39. Wait, I have to put all the slimes right here where I touched them. Let me get my favorite slime out. Ugh. I accidentally turned this black. It was supposed to be watermelon. It has these beads to represent them. I just wanted to like fix it up, you know, not have it all like hard. Take a big chunk out for y'all. Look, here's the bead. Okay. Crack a foam bead. I mean a jelly cube. I love this, guys. Sorry this video is kind of long. It's because I'm trying to show all my slimes. Ooh, okay. And now for my biggest slime collection. Every slime I own is in here. Well, not every slime. Ugh. This is my pink Nickelodeon slime. Don't know where the rest of it's at. Oh my parents threw it away. There we go. Here's the gold slime I don't want to play with. It's very, very, very disgusting. If you want to know how, it's because it smells really bad. It smells like socks. Now here's my good pink slime. It looks orange on the camera, but over here it's pink. Oh, it's the dream. And here is my blue. Here is my Planet Putty. Sorry y'all can't really see it. I'm far away from the camera. Here is my good green putty. It's called Hop Hop Bunny Slime. Ugh. This is a metallic slime I made. It was at first it was very, very sticky. Now it's hard and stiff. Ugh. Okay, let's see if I have more slimes. Sorry guys, I'm trying to look for the slime. Okay, here it is. It's a black putty. Well, it's not technically a putty because it's very stretchy in there. So yeah, it's very sizzly to me. One more crunch. It's a clay too, but I made it slimy. I have a gallon of clear glue. So yeah, I have all the mixing materials and everything. Ooh. So y'all have to give me 15 more seconds to go fetch my other 2 putties. I'm a putty lover, okay? Okay, put those right here. Give me 20 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 10 seconds earlier. Okay, let me just get some putties out. I have rocket putties. I see all of these on YouTube. Like that you have to do ASMR with them and mixing putties into my slime. So yeah, I'm going to do that.